Would you like to know how to create a completely free lab environment that you can use to learn AWS services and you can use to build AWS infrastructure? For you to learn the technology so you can level up in tech and level up your career if you're looking to go into AWS. Stay tuned, we're gonna get into it. So let's get into creating a free tier account with AWS. And this can be your sandbox, your home lab, whatever you want to call it. It will help you gain some practice with implementing cloud technology, right? So right now, I'm gonna walk everyone through how to set up your free tier account. So we're gonna do it together, right? So right here, we're gonna say, create free account. It'll bring us to this page and it'll ask us for some information. And so we will just enter that information. Email address is going to be 8W33N4. Don't you hate these? Don't you hate these captions? All right. No, we ain't gonna say nothing. Okay. Sign up for AWS, contact information. How do you plan to use it? For your own projects or for work or school or an organization. We're gonna say personal, and this is gonna be even if we're using it for a just a learning environment, it's gonna be personal. We're not gonna do any actual business on this account. Who should we contact about this account? So this is going to be the account contact, which will be yourself. And we're gonna put our information in there. I have read and agree. And then we're gonna say continue. So you're going to need a credit card, or I use my Cash App card for a lot of these when they want these free trials and stuff, and it usually works. So let's see if that's gonna work this time. Let's use our Cash App card number and verify, continue. Send the code to my horn. There's the code. Add in there, boom. And we are moving right along into step 5. Select a support plan. Now, we don't want to spend no money on this. This is a free lab environment, free tier account from AWS, so we're not going to spend a dime. So we don't want no support. Basic free support. Complete the sign up process. Go to the AWS Management Console. And that's it. We have created our account. Now let's try to log into it. Okay, we don't need it. Password is and boom. And boom. We are signed in to our free resource account. We are in the North Virginia, that's US East 1 region. If you're familiar. We got our name of our account here, Gadget Tools Labs account ID number. You can use this number when you're logging in, and your information. If we want to see the services, we can go to services. So in alphabetical order, all the services AWS offers. And as you can see, we're going all the way down the list. And they also break it out into sections: analytics, application integration, business applications, compute. These are all the compute containers. So if you know exactly what you're looking for a database, boom, you just go straight to database, management and governance, CloudWatch, CloudTrail, all the services for management. All right, and what else do we have here? This is your dashboard for your management console here. Right there you can see recently visited services. It has all the services you recently visited, and it'll show you all the services in a drop down list here as well. You can minimize that. You have built you an AWS free tier sandbox basically. So now you can come here, you can practice using S3. So let's kind of go through something. Let's go EC2. So we created our new free tier account with AWS. So now we have access to a lab environment, a virtual lab environment or sandbox where we can go practice our skills, learn the services, and implement the infrastructure. We can learn how to build cloud infrastructure, right? See how easy it is to create virtual infrastructure versus having to go out, buy a server and everything that's on premise. And that is why cloud is so important, and it's really the future of everything. Why do it on-prem or physically when you can do it virtually, and you can pay for it as a service? You don't have to, especially it's kind of like a gold mine for small businesses and startups, because you don't have to have that huge budget for your base IT infrastructure to get your business going and started. You can come to AWS or Google or Microsoft, and you can just spin up a cloud environment, pay as you go, save some money, and make it easy to manage. So it'll be a plus or a win for small businesses and startups. But with that being said, family, that's going to be the end of this video. We would appreciate it if you smash the like button so that we can get these videos in front of the right people, the ones who would value this content and find it beneficial in their journey. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so that you're notified when new videos drop. We will be dropping them all the time. And with that, family, until the next video, peace.